What is up, guys? Daniel here with Apparel Win, and welcome back to our Fabric Market series with Apparel Win. Today we're taking you to one of the most exciting and essential spots in the Zhongda Fabric Market, the underground market for trims and accessories. If you're a fashion brand looking for that extra flair to elevate your designs, this is the place that you absolutely cannot miss. This underground market is a treasure trove where you can source millions of trims for your clothing brand. Think labels, zippers, buttons, patches, logo bands, and so much more. It's packed with creative possibilities to make your designs truly stand out. Tip number one, an overview of the market. Before diving in, it's helpful to get a sense of the layout. The market is massive, but here's a breakdown to guide you guys through it. Streets 1, 2, and 3 specialize in metal trims like snap buttons, shank buttons, accessories, and Hofix rhinestones. Streets 3, 4, 5 focus on plastic buttons and shell buttons. Streets 5, 6, and 7 are where you'll find lace trims, collar appliques, hat cords, woven tapes, embroidery, and jacquard designs. With this roadmap, you can head straight to the sections and match your needs, saving time and making the most of your visit. Tip number 2, where to start. Start with the essentials, guys. Explore sections with high demand items like zippers, buttons, and labels. Then move to specialized areas for patches, tassels, and custom embellishments. Look out for logo bands and other unique trims that can add signature touch to your pieces. Whether you're looking for something classic or innovative, this market has it all. Tip number 3, come with Apparel Win. Here is the game changer, guys. When you come with the Apparel Win team, your experience becomes seamless and more cost effective. Our office and showroom are located right next to the market, which makes it super easy to organize your sourcing trip. Plus, Apparel Win has a high reputation in this market, which can help you secure better prices and negotiate effectively. And best part of it all, when you order with Apparel Win, our team can give you a personalized tour of the market, ensuring you find exactly what you need while saving time and saving money. So guys, whether you're sourcing trims for your first collection or scaling up for new launches, let Apparel Win make your accessory hunt simple, efficient, and rewarding. Contact us today to learn more, and let's bring your designs to life with the best accessories that Zhongda has to offer.
Hey,
What GSM?
which fabric you already confirmed we order today? At least we have the fabric ready tomorrow, and then we finish everything quick for new sample.
You're saying whatever we confirmed today.
Yeah, whatever confirmed.
I would want to confirm it after the big market.
Oh, of course.
Yeah,
because we would want to
I will
buy
take you
To
later.
see,
Yeah.
So the one thing that I would want to see.
Which one you like? Tell me. I take a picture first, and then later on,
The one thing
buy.
that we think is important in the shirt fabric is you can see